This week's top stories. Manchester Cleaning Show celebrates record attendee numbers. Over 2,558 people attended the annual Manchester Cleaning Show, its busiest show to date. The show's organisers are hopeful for a similar turnout at next year's show at Excel in London between the 18th and 20th of March 2025. Building Research Establishment sets out 2024 Manifesto. The Building Research Establishment is calling on the incoming government to issue a white paper on building standards within the 6 months of taking office. The BRE wants the government to commit to sustainable standards for UK buildings, providing more certainty for owners, occupiers, supply chains, and investors. Diamond Facility Support launches Major Works team. Birmingham-based Diamond Facility Support has launched a Major Works team and a new intake of engineers. The new Major Works team will be led by Barry Leonard, with a focus on FM projects worth up to £500,000.
For all the latest facilities and workplace management news, read more at TWinFM.com.